And along with meter, we also have subdivision. So if you want to divide something into, if you have a piece that is just a long string of whole notes, you can divide those into halves, quarters, eighths, sixteenths, 32nds, 64ths, 128, 264ths, 512ths, 1024ths. This one's a little hard to explain. Velocity, the fastest note that you have. So for example, if you're writing in 4, 2, 3, 4, you may have dot, 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 dot. All that was 3 different velocities, moving from eighths to quarters to halves. And so the way that you subdivide those meters, the velocity or successive attack activity that you have may change, and that is a tool that we have at our disposal. We also have density, how many voices are going on at the same time. Although in this class, since we have maybe a 3 to 4 voice project that we're going to be working on, you're probably only going to have solos, duos, trios, quartets. If we were looking at a larger piece, like say for orchestra, you have a number, you have quintets, sextets, septets, octets, nonets, dectets, and whatever 11 and 12 are, dodectets. What's really great once we start getting into the larger instrumentations is, like for example with woodwind quintet, you have the opportunity not only to write for flute, oboe, clarinet, horn, and bassoon, but also flute and oboe, or flobo, or flute and clarinet, flute and net, flute and horn, florn, flute and bassoon, bassoot. Or you can also write in trios. So you have flute, oboe, and clarinet, flobinet, or flute, horn, and bassoon, flornoon. The way that we combine these instruments and the amount of density that we have are all things that we have at our disposal as composers.